Hey, Gary and I have a huge favor to ask you, and it's a really big solid that we need from you. However, before I ask you for this favor, I wanted to let you know that Gary and I are very excited about launching our brand new coaching club coming very soon. We've realized through our conversations that one of the big questions that we wanted to answer for you is, what do I do now? Amidst change, amidst uncertainty, what is it that I should do now in order to grow my real estate practice, in order to get business, in order to increase my deal flow? What are the things that I need to do right now? And what we've realized is in order to answer that question, that's more of a personal question for each person, right? We can't just say, go do this. So we've created this coaching program because one of the things is Gary and I and our whole team, one of our superpowers is the ability to read and adapt to change and to be able to thrive in that situation. And we want you guys to be able to have that same benefit by getting a little bit and being able to work a little bit closer with Gary and myself and our whole team in this new coaching program. We're calling it Coaching Club, and it is going to be based on a couple of key themes. The first one is we want to help you increase your deal flow, right? That's getting immediate transactions, but it's also more importantly building out the necessary channels for you to be able to recruit, attract, and focus your activities so you can get more business. We also want to be able to help you implement and install the systems, the processes that allow you to scale with higher transaction count, with higher volume count, with more business, but allow you to scale without compromising the service or the experience that you're providing to folks. It's very important that we continue to provide 5-star experiences. We also want to help you adapt to the disruption and challenges that technology brings forth constantly, right? Whether it's AI, whether it's this, whether it's that. The disruption can either be a challenge or it can be an opportunity, and we want all of you to be able to benefit from just the really powerful technologies that are coming out between AI, between automation. We want you to leverage these tools so that you can scale your business, to scale the amount of clients that you're working with. And then the last thing is we want to be able to help those of you who are looking to break into new niches or into new markets, right? This is one of the ways that you can scale or increase deal flow is by focusing on new niches, new markets, new groups of individuals that we want to work with. And so that's what we've got the coaching program currently structured around. But here's where we need your help. Here's where we need your input. If you were going to consider joining a coaching program, what would need to be included for you to want to do this? What would we need to include in this coaching program if it's something that you would want to consider? That's what we need to know from you. That's what I'm going to ask you in the comment section below or wherever you see this video. I need you to, maybe you're replying to an email, maybe you're replying to the comment section below, but I need you to tell us, what would you need to see in a coaching program like this for it to make sense for you? You might also want to share what are the challenges that you would want a coaching program like this to solve for you, because that is something that we can add now that we've got the foundation, we've got the structure. Before we launch, now is the time for us to fine tune and make sure it is going to serve and meet your needs. So please do us this big favor and drop your comment below letting us know what is it that you would like to see in a coaching program like this. Thank you.